Hello guys, this is the second part of the Edu Mail making process. In the first part we have seen how we have applied to our Edu email, basically a Gmail Edu, which we have applied in the previous video. So if you haven't watched the previous video, please do watch it, because if you want to set up the Edu email you have to watch the previous video, and the link of the previous video is given in the description and I button, so you can easily watch it. And so let's see how we can set up the Edu email. First of all, we have the details which we have saved or which we have used in the previous video. So I have saved all these details. You can see these details. So now let me open my browser. So you can see this is the same email through which I have applied for the Edu email. So I have applied one day before, and in the same day I have got this email regarding confirmation of the submission of the application. So you can see student ID number is also given. So this email I have received just after applying to the college. You will also receive the email, and this email is the email in which we have the student details or our Edu mail details. You can see this is our Edu email which we got. So we need to set up the Edu email first, and you can see which this email is received at 9:30 p.m. on the same day. It is applied at 6:51 p.m. It is almost after 3 hours I have received this email. In your case it may take up to 1 day or 2 days, or you can just get this within 3-4 hours. So this is the mail which we have received from the college. So now let's set up this email. So first of all, your VPN must be turned on. So next, just open a browser, and you can see here the instructions. We have to visit here. Just click over here. So here all the instructions are given. You have to follow all these instructions as given here. So here you can go with this student email. So you can see our page is loaded now. Now we have to enter our username. So here our username is this, you can see over here. Just copy paste this, and password. So for password you can see, for example, here so the password is like this. You have to enter this first, after that your date of birth in this format, plus the first initial sign of your first name as an uppercase letter. So first of all we enter this. Just copy this and paste it over here, or you can just open the notepad and just paste all this, and let's together paste the details. So we have pasted this. After this you have to enter in this format your date of birth, year, month and date. So first of all, year is this, then month is December, which is 12, and date is 15, so 15. Then the format is first initial of your first name as an uppercase. So in this case, John Smith, J is the first letter, so here J is used. So in our case A is the first letter, so we will use A over here. And this is the password, initial password. Just copy it and paste it over here. And now you can click remember me. Now just click sign in. So you can see we have successfully logged in. So now you can select any picture for security purpose. Now just after clicking the picture, now just click create my account. So you can see the success message, welcome to your new account by Google. Now just click I understand. So now just click over here. So you can see we have successfully created our Edu email, basically a Gmail Edu, which we have created just now. Now let's see what is the space provided by Google Drive, whether we are getting Google Drive unlimited space or not. Actually unlimited means it provides a lots of space, which is very much, so it is called unlimited. But let us see how much space it's providing. Now just click here to check the storage space. So you can see it is providing 100 GB of space over here. You can upload your files, anything over here. So you can see 100 GB is provided by this Edu email. Normally we get 15 GB, but with this Edu email you can get 100 GB of space. So this is the whole process how you can do it, and you can also change the password. So this is the whole process how we can do this and how we can get an Edu email for free. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.